and it depleted that bucket in about 4 minutes and 45 seconds. This one is more of a typical sprayer, and it depleted itself in 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So we'll see how this one does. And we've been using this quite a bit, as well as this one here. But sometimes it's difficult to fit everything in my truck, so I'm going for a little different way to handle this. We'll see where we're at now. Well, we're well over half done now with that bucket. Let's see what the timer says. We're at 4 minutes and 20 seconds. So I get good spray pattern. I get a pretty good distance. So we'll just see how long this one lasts and all.